hello all my beginner students. I've kind of been neglecting you. I apologize. Today we're going to learn something really easy. It's just a little country thing, and it's going to go D, G, and A. So I don't know if you know how to make the D chord. See, yeah, I'll put the little D chord up here, right there. Is it good enough? Okay, so what we're going to do is find this note. That is the D note. The D. That is the root of the D chord. Yeah. Okay. So what I want you to do is your thumb back over here. I want you to play the D chord, the D note like this, and then the A note with your thumb. So go ahead and make the D chord, but right now you're just going to play with your thumb. A lot of times it's all about the thumb. So anyway, we're going to play you can hold the D chord, but we're not going to hit any notes yet. What we're going to do is just do the thumb. So the thumb's going to go, just lay your hand right on here, and you can touch the strings. But when you pluck it, you know, you just let the string ring, but your hand's still close. Your hand's close to it. So here's what I want you to do, like this. D, and then A. Good. Let's do it again. Now we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so you've done it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to make a G chord. We're going to take the big finger and put it right here. I'm going to take just your third finger and lay it across the 2 strings. Okay, and then lay this middle finger right on the G. But I want this part of your finger is going to just touch this string so you can't hear it. Right? This is a great way to play the G chord. You hear how that rings? With your thumb, you're going to play that G note and then play the D note. So I think we did that 4 times. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So now we did the D. then we did the G. Now we're going to do the A. So to make the A chord, you're going to put your finger, just lay your finger right here across and leave this note and this note open, but lay your finger right across those and just play with your thumb this A note right there. Play that. Now play the E string. Excellent. Now instead of 4 times, we're only going to do this 2 times, like this. 1, 2, and then you're going to go back to the D. Okay? So what we're going to do is the D 4 times, the G 4 times, and the A 2 times. But let me just show you what we're going to do in the long run. And G. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2. Down, down, and back to D. So let's just do the thumb now, and then we'll add the chords, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and G. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and A. 2, back to D. All right, very good. So with your hands right here, I got my little finger, all 3 fingers. You can use 3 fingers, or you can use 2 fingers. You're gonna like just sort of. Here we go. A, Okay, so you ready? Alright, I'm just gonna pluck it with 2 fingers like this. I'm gonna throw the thumb in there like this. Alright, here we go. Yeah, the D. Just pluck it with these 2 fingers. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, G. And go back to D. Then go to A. Nice. Alright, well, I hope you learned something. I sure did. And I'll try to get another lesson out real soon. As soon as I can. You can email me at randyhale5544@gmail.com and ask me if there's a particular song you want to learn. I'll give it my best shot. Maybe we can, I'll try to pick it up. You guys have a good night and happy playing. See you later.